Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find wallet address on Polka Wallet. So let's get started. Launch Open Polka Wallet application and then make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Once you end up in this main assets page, go ahead and select DOT. Now, after you do that, you'll receive two options. Simply tap on Receive on the right hand side and then you'll be able to reveal your wallet address along with your wallet's QR code. Anyone can now scan the QR code so that they can send you DOT tokens or interact with the Polkadot network. You can also copy the wallet address by tapping on Copy and share it to the person you'd want to receive dots from. So that is how you can easily find your wallet address for Polka Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.